Hello, I'm Katrina. Welcome to this month's tips and tricks video. This month, I'll be teaching you how to create a promo code for gift certificate sales and how to redeem it online. First things first, let's go to Sell. Once at Sell, we're going to go to promo codes. Then we're going to go to add new promo code. Here, we can give our promo code a name. And we can choose the promo code type, whether or not it's a percentage off or an amount off. I'm going to go with percentage off. Then we can apply it to the promo code to the gift certificate sales. Then we can put in the minimum gift certificate spend. I'm going to go with 100. This means that someone has to spend a minimum of $100 to get the promo code that I'm creating. So if someone spends less than $100, they won't be eligible for the promo code. Next, you can optionally choose to add an expiry date to your promo code, then press save. Now that our promo code is created, you can share this promo code with your customers via social media, through email newsletters, or when they come in to book their appointment. And now I can show you how to redeem the promo code online. So let's go to online booking. At online booking, we're going to select buy gift certificate. Then we're going to put in the name of the person receiving the gift certificate and the person who's buying the gift certificate. Next, we can choose whether or not a gift certificate is an amount or from a service. In this case, I'm going to choose an amount. I've entered $100, so I'll be eligible for the promo code because this is a minimum gift certificate spend. We have many templates to choose from, but I'm going to go with generic for now. Here, you can enter the email of the person who should receive the gift certificate as an email template, and the person who should receive the receipt of the gift certificate. You can also choose to print. You'll get a copy of the email gift certificate template, and you can print it out and share it with the person you would like to give the gift to. So I'm just going to enter the email address now. Now I'm going to enter the promo code details in the top right hand corner. As you can see, I have a $100 gift certificate and now I'm paying $80 for it, and I've saved $20 on my gift certificate. Now you can enter your payment card details and pay for your gift certificate. So now you know how to create a promo code for gift certificate sales and how to redeem it online. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the support team at support@clinicsense.com and we'll be happy to assist. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye.